guys, welcome back to my channel Miss.Diva.Deep. I am back again with another video. You know what, it's been really long. I haven't made any sit and chit chat video. Of course I'm not sitting right now because of the view that I'm getting, the background that I'm getting, so that I thought like let's just stand here. Like yesterday when I was sitting at my bed and I realized I haven't posted any videos since long. Actually at that time I was dealing with some glitch on my YouTube channel with two of my recent videos. Last sit and chit chat video was 2 years back, so it's been a really long time I haven't done that. So I thought let's just do it today. That in the morning when I woke up, I took bath and I was assembling everything to shoot this video. I realized that okay, my skin is dry, so it needs a proper skincare. So I thought, oh, it's the correct time. I can share with you guys my skincare routine and some of the things that we can discuss, like not specific to anything, but yeah, just random things. So yeah, if you haven't watched my previous videos, like the recent uploads on my YouTube channel, one was my convocation video and the other one was a day in my life kind of vlog. If you haven't watched it, link is mentioned in the description box. Once you're done with this video, go and check those out, okay? So yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button before moving forward, and yeah, let's just dive right into this video. I can feel that my skin is getting really dry, or thoda sa I need to do my upper lips and chin, but never mind. So let's begin. First I'm gonna tie my hair. You know, you guys must be thinking that why I'm wearing this zipper onto me. It's just because I don't understand the weather outside. Sometimes it's windy, sometimes it's beautiful sunny weather outside, so it keeps on fluctuating. Sometimes it's rainy also. I never understand that, so I always try to carry this with me. And at home also it's too cold, I don't know why, so I'm a bit upset with that thing, but I thought it's fine. So I'm gonna tie my hair first with this. Not actually tie, but I'm gonna push my hair at the back from the face because I don't want any hair onto my face while shooting the video, while doing the skincare. Not shooting the video, but yeah, doing the skincare. Okay, yeah, it's looking pretty. Let's begin. And along with that, along with my skincare, I just wanted to share with you guys what I am eating right now. So this is the bowl of yogurt and some berries. This is the strawberry yogurt with 18 grams of protein in it. I'm not really sure about it, so if you want to know, just let me know in the comment section below. I will tell you the information about it. And yeah, so I'm having this. I feel like it's yummy. It's very yummy. The berries on the top is adding extra flavor in the curd. Curd is kind of like a sweet. I also have raspberries over there on the table. First I thought let's just add it, but then I was like okay, yeah, let's begin with the skincare and some chit chat. We are already doing some chit chat, so keep on doing that. So first and foremost, I'm going to use this toner just to clean the outer layer of the skin before applying any, you know, sticky cream onto it. Actually, I'm doing this for fun. Like, it's kind of like my hobby. I love to interact, I love to make videos, and you know, wearing cute clothes. You know what, while I was editing my vlog yesterday that was having some issue on YouTube, I realized that making a sit and chit chat video is easier than making vlogs, but sometimes I feel the opposite one, because when you shoot a vlog you have to go outside carrying your camera with you. I have my camera, but usually I avoid taking it outside. I don't know why, that is the problem with me. I hate holding a lot of things with me, so I shoot it with my phone and everything. skincare is something that no one is doing on the regular basis. If someone is saying that I am doing my skincare every single day, they are lying. I need a little bit of moisturizer because you can't apply hyaluronic acid directly onto your dry skin. It will make your skin even more dry. So here is my moisturizer, Cetaphil. I'm literally shocked. Like, only twice a week we'll be able to see sun here outside in the month of May. Like, before and after that, it's just rainy, it's just cloudy outside and windy, something like that. And you know what, today right now it's 16 degrees, which is not really that bad, and feels like it's 13 degrees, which is also okay. That's why it's not too cold out inside and outside. I don't know about outside, or to be really very honest, but I know about inside. Let's apply the Revital Lift hyaluronic acid. So now it's all dry. Let's apply the moisturizer on top. A good amount of moisturizer helping my skin to stay hydrated throughout the day, because I am sure I'm not going to go outside this day. Tomorrow I'm going at work, so one day I want to stay at home. Okay, and now it's time for the Vaseline. I do carry a lot of, lip balms with me because I can't carry this whole big tub all the time with me. A big thick coat of Vaseline. And now it comes to last but not least, the most amazing thing and one of the most favorite things of mine is this Bath and Body Works body cream. My sister has gifted me on my last birthday. So it's from the range Emily in Paris. It smells amazing. And you know what? I'm using this like in a very little amount. So I'm gonna take a small pump of it. A very teeny tiny. Because usually I apply this when I go outside. But today I'm in a very good mood. Touch wood. So I feel like, let's apply this. On my hand, on my neck, and yeah, I'm all set for the day now. This is all about my skincare for right now because I just wanted to keep it very simple, not a very lengthy one. And soon I will try to bring a lot more content for you guys, and I guess this is it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching and chit-chatting with me, then do let me know in the comment section below. I will surely going to reply you. And now I'm going to have my kind of like breakfast yogurt, and after that I will meet you soon in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post my new video. And yeah, link from my previous video is mentioned in the description box. So once you are done with this, just go watch those, spread your love, show your love, and yeah, I will meet you guys soon. Till then, love yourself. Bye bye.